Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about CapLinkt Virtual Data Rooms API. So what is a VDR API? A VDR API is an application programming interface that allows developers to integrate a virtual data room into their own software application. This allows developers to provide their user with the ability to secure, store and share confidential documents without having to build their own VDR solutions. What is a CapLinkt VDR API? CapLinkt VDR API is a powerful and flexible API that allows developers to integrate all of the features of a CapLinkt VDR into their own software application. CapLinkt VDR API includes a wide range of features such as document management, create, upload, manage, and share documents within the secure VDR environment. Then user management, create and manage users as well as their permission and access level, security, encrypt documents at rest in transit, and implement other security features such as access control and audit trails. Then collaborations allow user to collaborate on documents through features and such as annotations, commenting, and messaging. Benefits of using a CapLinkt VDR API. There are a number of benefits to using CapLinkt VDR API. Including security, CapLinkt VDR API is available on the same secure platform as CapLinkt VDR, which is trusted by businesses of all sizes, protected their confidential data. Flexibility, CapLinkt VDR API is highly flexible and can be integrated with a wide range of software applications. Then as of use, CapLinkt VDR API is easy to use and well documented. CapLinkt also offers a number of resources to help developers to get started with the API. Example of how CapLinkt VDR API is being used today. CapLinkt VDR API is being used by businesses of all sizes to integrate VDR functionality into their own software application. Here are a few examples. Investment banks. CapLinkt VDR API is used by investment bank to provide their clients with a secure way to share confidential documents during merger and acquisition transaction. Law firms. CapLinkt VDR API is used by law firms to provide their clients with a secure way to share confidential documents and during legal proceedings. And real estate firms, CapLinkt VDR API is used by real estate firms to provide their clients with a secure way to share confidential documents during real estate transactions. And how to get started with the CapLinkt VDRs. To get started with the CapLinkt VDR API, you will need to create a CapLinkt account and obtain API key. Once you have API key, you can start using CapLinkt VDR API to integrate VDR functionality into your own software application. CapLinkt offers a number of resources to help developers to get started with the API, including documentation, tutorials, and sample code. CapLinkt also has a dedicated support team that is available to help developers with any questions or problems they may have. In conclusions, CapLinkt VDR API is a powerful, flexible tool that allows developers to integrate with the VDR functionality into their own software applications. CapLinkt VDR API is used by businesses of all sizes to provide their users with a secure way to store and share confidential documents. If you are a developer, you are looking for a way to integrate VDR functionality into your software application, I encourage you to check out CapLinkt VDR API. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.